Who took my animals?
Who painted me pink?
Who's making me so sleepy? Why is my food all wet?
Who's covered me in chocolate?
All of the engines on Sodor were hard at work. Well, almost all of them. Quiet please, I'm trying to have a nap. Hello Funling.
Hi, Thomas.
Please can you fill my trucks with rocks? Excuse me, I'm trying to nap. Aren't you supposed to be working? I work better after I've had a nap.
Okay, Thomas, here come your rocks.
Quiet! You're being so noisy out here.
That's because we're hard at work. Kyah. There you go, Thomas.
Thanks, Funling. Bye. Finally, I should get some peace and quiet. Oh, come on. That's it. I'm finding a quieter shed. Ah, this shed's in the middle of nowhere. It's perfect. But not too far away, someone was up to no good. Tom Moss. And he had a new toy. It was a radio that played music which puts people to sleep.
Coal. Who wants coal? Uh-oh, I know that laugh. What? That music is making me sleepy.
Uh-oh. Huh? I'm so...
That sounds like Tom Moss.
Oh no! What's he up to now? Henry, why are you...
Tom's plan had worked perfectly. With everyone on Sodor asleep, he could do whatever he wanted, and no one could stop him. But there was one thing Tom didn't take into consideration. A lazy train called Diesel. That's better. Now I'm ready to work. Hello there, Thomas. Thomas? You're asleep? Oh, you're going to be in so much trouble with Sir Topham Hatt. Oh. Sir Topham Hatt is asleep too? What's going on? Hey Funling, why is everyone asleep? What has happened? Oh no, Tom Moss! He must be behind this! Well, as the only one here who's awake, it's up to me to stop him! Hey Tom, you haven't put everyone to sleep! But Tom couldn't hear Diesel because of his noise-cancelling headphones. I'll stop you. Oh, but that music's making me sleepy. No, I've got to stop him. Huh? What? What was that bang? It's Tom Moss.
Huh?
What was that?
It's Edward's gems.
And Tom Moss.
And stay away, Tom. What happened? Tom Moss? Did you scare away Tom Moss, Diesel? Yes, because he put everyone to sleep.
Well done, Diesel. You saved everyone.
Well, only because Tom didn't put me to sleep because I was being lazy. You know what, Diesel? We'll let you off this time. After all, you did save the day.
Thomas, because you've been working so hard recently, I've decided to give you a day off.
Thanks, Sir Topham Hatt.
So what are you going to do on your day off?
Well, I thought I could try and catch Tom Moss. Oh no, that sounds like Tom Moss. What's happened, Percy?
Tom Moss changed the water tower to chocolate.
Well, if I want to catch Tom Moss, I'm going to have to trap him with a prank. Right, I've switched the paint can so when Tom Moss tries to switch the paint, he will get it the right way round. I will pretend to fall asleep and wake up to catch him trying to paint me. I'll just shut my eyes for a little. Whoa, must have fallen asleep. I guess I was tired. Oh no, I'm pink! Tom Moss didn't fall for my trap. Better get a fresh coat of paint from Fix It Funding. This plan should work. I've left a smelly truck of fish next to me, so Tom Moss will try and switch the truck of rocks for the truck of fish. But you will be watching so we can catch him in the act.
Sounds like a good plan, Thomas. Hello and welcome to this. Wait, what's that? Competition. That wasn't there before. How strange.
Well, Funding, try not to get distracted.
Don't worry, Ooh, it's a cars race competition.
Funding! Tom Moss is uncoupling the trucks.
I'm too scared of the dinosaur.
You're a dinosaur too.
You're right. Let's get ready to
Fundling! Tom Moss was here.
Huh?
We just missed Tom Moss. He coupled the smelly fish truck.
Oh yeah. Sorry, Thomas.
That's okay. I have one more idea. Now, this plan is sure to work. I've left a big boulder on top of a hill, which can be rolled down, knocking a pile of cargo. When Tom Moss knocks the cargo, he will have to go back on this track, where we block him from leaving.
Great plan, Thomas. Great plan. Shame if somebody ruined it. Now to leave quietly. Whoops. Hey, I'm not a real football to kick, Rascal Funding. Shush, be quiet, Bot. No. Rascal Funding? Oh, you got me. I've been pranking you the whole time. Tom Moss had a feeling you were trying to trap him, so he asked me to follow you. I was hiding in the trees, listening to your paint plan. So when you were asleep, I changed the paint around and turned you pink. Then, when you were with the trucks, I was inside the station. I put the TV outside to distract the funling while Tom Moss switched the trucks.
Well, my plans worked because there's Tom Moss. Let's get him! Oh no! What's happened?
Oh, I also broke your engine. Bye! Rascal Funding and Tom Moss got us today.
Well, we didn't catch Tom Moss today, but maybe one day we will catch him. Hi, Percy!
Hi, Thomas. Do you want to race?
Yeah, but you won't beat me. Ready? Go!
Ah, it's slippy! Why was that track slippy? I can't stop! Oh dear, now we're both stuck.
Carefully, carefully. Phew, didn't drop the box. Oh no, I smashed the box. It was all Thomas's fault. I can't wait to open up my pop-up food stand for the trains. The food's all wet. Ugh, it tastes all soapy.
Aha! I told you I would win.
Yeah, you win. But the race was fun.
Yeah, I'd better head back now. Oh no! I'll go get Rocky to help.
Oh dear.
What's the matter, Funling?
I broke my box. It's really slippy here.
Why is it slippy?
It's your fault. You've been spilling slippy bubbles everywhere from your truck. Yeah, and you ruined my food.
That wasn't me. I have an empty truck.
No, you don't. It's filled with slippery bubbles.
Somebody must have pranked me.
But who?
Well, I have noticed Tom Moss following me today. I think I should prank him back. Thanks for helping me, Fairy Funling. If you freeze the spilt bubbles, then we can make Tom Moss crash, as he's been following me all day.
Good plan, Thomas.
Okay, let's go. Now, Fairy Funling. Yes, it worked! Tom Moss got what he deserved.
Oinky, come back! No, Barbara! Hazel! Oh, you're all here! Phew! What? Clucky? No! Don't go in there! It's dark in here, isn't it? There you are! And don't run off again! Right. Oh no! I see the pigs and the sheep, but where are the cows? I hope they haven't run off. Oh no! Now the sheep have disappeared! This isn't good, Clucky! Clucky? Clucky? No! Where are you? Oh no! Now the pigs are gone too! What has happened to all of my animals?
Everything okay, Farmer Funling?
Thomas, I've got a problem! All of my animals have disappeared!
Oh no, they haven't just run away, have they?
Well, they do enjoy me chasing them, but they never all disappear at the same time. I think someone's taken them.
Oh no. Well, don't worry, I'll help you get them back. I already have a plan in mind. Okay, whoever took your animals will probably try to take some more, so I found these very realistic looking animals. We'll just see who tries to take them, and then we'll follow them straight to your animals.
Okay. Are those animals realistic enough though? Oh, animals! Hello, pig! Ah, a sheep! Ah, ooh, and a cow! Uh-oh, the definitely real cow just fell over! Run! Huh, I guess they are realistic enough.
Oh, here comes someone.
Tom Moss! After him, Thomas!
Stop, Tom!
That won't stop us!
He's in here!
Aha! Oh, what? Where did he go?
Oh, Tom's very good at disappearing in tunnels.
Oh, well, at least we now know who's got my animals, and now I have a plan to get them back. Okay, Thomas, my plan is quite similar to yours, but this time I'll carry with me this walkie-talkie whilst dressed up as this pig. So when Tom Moss takes me...
You can tell me where you are using the walkie-talkie.
Exactly! Right, let me get into character. Oink oink!
Good luck, Farmer Funling.
Thank you! Oink oink! Oh wow, a pig! Maybe I should tell Farmer Funling. No, Explorer Funling. I am Farmer Funling. Ah! A talking pig! Run! Hey, silly Explorer Funling. Oh, here comes Tom. Thomas, I'm in Tom's truck and all of my animals are in here. We're by Funlington Station.
Okay, I'm coming.
We're going into that tunnel again. Right. Uh-oh. I have no idea where we are.
Don't worry, I'll find you. Yes, there you are.
You found us, Thomas.
Come on, let's go, quickly. Oh no, you don't, Tom. We're getting out of here.
Woohoo! We're free!
There.
Thanks for all of your help, Thomas. The animals say thank you too.
No problem, everyone. I'm just glad that everyone's safe again.